My sister cute, she's far. So, see, look. Hi, good body. Thanks for coming. Tell your sister I said hi. Okay. Okay, Carlos Larry. Liang Lam, hello. Banana! Hi ka no, kuna ni Carlos Larry. Ayan, say hi. Can you see her? She's there. She said hi. She said hi back. So nice, nice view guys. Very, relaxing. And there's the stairs going there. Oh, very hot guys. My head is a little painful. Mama Ellie, you should do hula hoop. I do hula hoop outside. I need to buy my new hula hoop. When going out, I do like that. Going out. Hi, Lucy Bire. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Ayan. Oh, it makes me dizzy of the sunshine. Look at this, guys. It's nice view. Have a nice day, Lucy Bire. Yan, we're going around. Beautiful girl. And Liang Lam. Hello, hello. So nice, right, guys? Let's see what's that. What's in there? Oh, very hot. Very hot, guys. My head hot. My head is so hot now. Very hot. Oh, there's a water lily here. What they have here? What are you doing? I'm just walking. Showing you some different place. New place. Beautiful view. Yan, relaxing guys. Yan. What's that? There's a dolphin there. There's a dolphin there. The water lily. This is nice. See, you can sit here. You can sit inside. You go inside. Wow, so nice. It's really nice, guys. Yeah.